Hello YouTube, this is Anna Ken. I am from www.unboxingjerseys.ru. Look at this new jersey. This one is the NBA jersey, Los Angeles Lakers, number 2. The color is purple. This jersey is from my website www.unboxingjerseys.ru. Okay. Here is the tag, nbastore.com. Okay. Swingman. Okay, the neck. The color is yellow, and this part is purple. Yeah, Adidas logo. And check this part, Lakers stitched. Take a good look at this. Yeah, stitched Lakers. Okay, and here is the number. Number 2 is stitched also. Yes, good quality, stitched. Okay, and the material, the material is very soft. Here is the tag, Adidas, NBA size large. Yeah, this patch is stitched. Okay, and check this side. This part is yellow color. Here is the small tag. Okay, nice side. Yeah. This part, the stripe. This part is white strip, and this part is white strip also. Okay, and this part is yellow color. Okay, the jersey's back. Very famous player. Okay, here is stitched NBA patch. Yeah, stitched. Okay, and here's the player's name. Player's name is stitched on the back. Okay, and this part, number 2, stitched also. Yeah, take a good look at this. Number 2 stitched. Yeah, very soft material. Again, this one is the NBA Los Angeles Lakers jersey, number 2. The color is purple. It is from my website www.unboxingjerseys.ru. My contact email is unboxingjerseys@gmail.com. And the real jerseys are the same as this one. So you guys should not worry about the quality. All the NFL jerseys, MLB jerseys, NHL jerseys, NCAA jerseys are stitched name and numbers. We can use Visa card, MasterCard, and Western Union for payment. If you guys want me to review more jerseys, please leave a comment. Okay, thank you for watching today. See you next time.